Now it's time to go back home. And no, we are not driving this time.
This is urgent warning. They're a troublemaker. Big number and staff. Is prepare tomorrow is grounded. Is starting grounded FBI or other when the first day of school. Also, this is another warning. This channel affect Europe and North America. Here proof. If you see the red mean warning, that mean troublemaker posting video during student like kids or teenager in school, but if he back please report him to troublemaker big number and staff, or rate it.